Largest agricultural land area in the world. India. India largest agricultural land in the world. The land is suitable for regular cropping. Actually, agricultural land is suitable for regular cropping. A policy which involves prescribing the maximum size of land owned by an individual. It's called policy which involves land ceiling involves which involves prescribing the maximum size of land owned by an individual. Land ceiling. Which of the following factors is not responsible for the loss of fertility of the agricultural land? Following factor is not responsible. High cation exchange capacity of soil. Which of the following factors is not responsible for the loss of fertility of the agricultural land? Loss of fertility of the agricultural land. High cation exchange capacity of soil. Not responsible. Oh, salinization of soil is and alkalinization of soil, alkalization, waterlogging is necessary. The technique of water, actually, the technique of water, plants using the narrow tubes. Technique of water using the narrow tubes that deliver water directly to the base of the plant. Water plants using narrow tubes. Drip irrigation means पेड़ की पास narrow tubes base of the plant. In which following method irrigation water falls drop. Drip system water falls drop by drop and falls directly to the root of plants, which is known as the father of green revolution. Norman Borlaug of the world, India Swaminathan. Norman Borlaug. Which of the following is not the goal of green revolution? Actually, green revolution goal of expansion of irrigation, increase of the crop productivity, use of fertilizers uses, increase the food and grain production increase. What does the H in HIV stands for in the context of green revolution? HIV means high yielding variety. Great man made river is located in which country? Great man made river, Libya. Libya. Great man. Which of the following have been characteristics of green revolution? Characteristics of green revolution: spurt in crop productivity, increase in acreage. Characteristics of green revolution: spurt in crop productivity, increase in acreage. Consider the following statement. Following have been the regards to green revolution: spurt in crop productivity, increase in acreage. Great man-made river located Libya. Egypt, Libya. Consider following statement. India has more arable area than China. Yes. The proportion of irrigated area in India is higher than China. No. The average productivity per hectare in agriculture in India is higher than no. Proportion of, the proportion of irrigated area in India is higher than China. Only two are correct. Which type of agriculture practice in rainforest? Actually, which types of agriculture? Which types of agriculture is practiced? Slash and burn. Rainforest. Slash and burn. Slash and burn agriculture is known as milpa. slash and burn agriculture is milpa. Milpa. Zoom cultivation of shifting cultivation also known as zoom cultivation. Actually, zoom cultivation or shifting cultivation also known as cut and burning agriculture. Which of the following types of agriculture is known as zoom in Assam? Shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation. Zoom in Assam. Milpa and ladang are other name of which of following? Zoom cultivation. Milpa. Meaning of intensive agriculture. Intensive means use of more labor and capital inputs on land under cultivation. Use of more labor and capital inputs for land on land under cultivation land के अंदर. In which of the following countries intensive subsistence agriculture is not mainly in vogue? Canada, following countries intensive subsistence agriculture is not mainly in vogue. Intensive subsistence. Which types of farming is done to meet the needs of farming family? Types of farming is done to meet the needs of farming family. Subsistence agriculture. Needs of farming family. Subsistence agriculture. Which of the following densely populated area is not directly? Eastern plain of China. No, northeastern America. Northeastern America. Lower valley of the Nile. That will depend on the agriculture populated area. Nile. Eastern plains of China. Java Island. America is an industry, not depend upon the agriculture. Canada intensive subsistence agriculture is not mainly vogue. Intensive subsistence agriculture. In which type of agriculture the land was used for growing food and fodder crops? So livestock rearing. Livestock rearing. Mixed farming was growing for agriculture. Land was used for growing food and fodder crops. Fodder crops. Mixed farming. Dash crops refers to growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same land. Mixed crops. The land was used for growing food and fodder crops. Livestock rearing. Mixed farming. Food and fodder crops and for livestock rearing. Mixed farming. In which of the following region of the world is the production of citrus succulent fruits highly developed? Highly developed Mediterranean region. Production of citrus succulent fruits. Khatta mitha. Which of the following region is characterized by cultivation of grapes? Mediterranean region. North California. No. Mediterranean region. Citrus fruit. Which of the following words means grow fruits? Grow fruits. Fruit grows. Pomiculture. Truck agriculture is related to truck agriculture. Green vegetables. In the regions where the farmer produces only vegetable is named as vegetables. Truck farming, where the farmer produces. The area where farmers specialize only in vegetable. What is the type of farming called? Specialized truck farming, vegetable. The main area for plantation agriculture are found in the dash region. Main area of plantation agriculture and found in the tropical region. Area plantation agriculture, tropical region. During rainy season, when there is more rainfall than the soil moisture required for plant, it is referred to as wetland agriculture. There is more rainfall than the soil moisture. Soilless agriculture is called soilless agriculture, hydroponics, hydroponics, which is in the where there is more rainfall than the soil moisture. Zooming, Southeast East Asia. Milpa, Mexico. Southeast Asia zooming. Ladang. Which one of the following correctly describes Tongia systems?